Hey guys, I'm going to go through a quick video today on how to create a line graph like the one you see over here. Line graphs are great for when you want to see data in a time series or how a variable has changed over time. So let's get into it, right? Let's move this graph over here. The graph shows the hours worked per month by our employee called Gomez. So we're going to use this data set to supply the data for our graph. So first, to get started, what you need to do is you need to find what you want to graph. We want to graph these hours over here, the hours worked by month for this employee, for Gomez. And we're going to highlight all the data we want graphed. Then we're going to go to our ribbon and we're going to go to the insert tab of our ribbon. Once you're in the insert tab, go to the chart section over here, and then you're going to look for this icon over here which says insert line or area chart. You're going to click on the down arrow, and then below you're going to have all the different options of charts that you can get. For a basic line graph, you choose over here line with markers, or you can choose a line without markers. I like the markers because it's easy to see at what point you have a change from one to another, right? So click on it, and then that gives us the basic shell. Now what I'm going to do next is right click, outline, give this chart a nice dark border, and then I'm going to change the title to hours worked by month, and then I'm going to say Gomez. Got to spell that right? Okay. So after we've done that, now you can right click on the chart, go to select data, because right now you can see we don't have the months. The months aren't showing up on the x-axis. So to fix that, and we don't have the legend either, where it shows who this data is about. So to fix that, click anywhere into the middle of the graph area, right click, choose select data, and now you're going to make sure series 1 is highlighted. Click edit, and now we're going to supply the series name. This is where we make sure you're in this white box and you have the cursor blinking, and then click on what the series name is. In this case, it's this data specific to Gomez. Hit OK. So now it doesn't say series 1, now it says Gomez. The second piece we need to handle is the labels for the horizontal axis, aka the months. Click on edit, and now you're going to highlight the months for that axis. Hit OK, hit OK again, and now we've got the months. Still no legend like here where it says Gomez. To add that in, click onto the graph, then click on this plus sign, and then check the box for legends. And there you have it. That's how you set up a simple line graph. I'll catch you guys on the next video.